talkradio.com station.
Oh, good song.
Welcome back. This show, your real estate today. Flowers and puppies and Subarus.
Prius.
So we're glad you're with us. And, oh, a horse just wanted by.
Unicorn.
Yes, right, a unicorn. Onto the rainbow. Glad you're with us today, and we're excited to be talking. If you just tuned in and you think we're absolutely nuts, sorry. But this is a show about real estate. So I'm Paul Jameson, your host with the Jameson family of real estate companies, here with Sandy Dickinson, Summit Funding, and Preston Sandlin with Home Inspection Carolina. We were just talking about kind of what's going on right now, activity-wise. Now, I have some good news for the two of you.
Oh, good.
Okay, good. I'll take some good news.
We are, as a team, and I can only speak for my bubble, right? As a team, our first quarter is looking like wow.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah, it is good.
So I still feel like there's a lot of pent-up demand out there, a lot of opportunity, not just in the buying and selling, but the investor side of the business, where most people think, oh, it's not active right now, nobody's moving. There's a lot of real estate on the move right now related to investors.
Yeah, yeah.
And it really, really is. And it's a great time to do that. So I would say, yes, we've all dealt with the bump downwards, and our market has moved down. The trends in the Charlotte region are flattening out price-wise and trending down a little bit.
We had 2 hurricanes too, don't forget that.
But
And now a snowstorm.
No.
I think the news is still very, very positive.
Yeah, I do too.
And you know, if you put your head down and do the hard work,
Yeah,
comes.
it happens.
It
Well,
really does.
it's a good place to live.
Right.
It's a really good place
Truly
to live.
is, truly is. One thing I wanted to talk about just quickly, and then Preston and Sandy, we're gonna switch over to a couple of things, is the power of due diligence. Due
Okay.
diligence is layaway money, for all intents and purposes.
Right.
Due diligence means you put the house off the market to be able to negotiate repairs, do your inspections, get your appraisal, and get the house the way you want it. And buyer and seller do the negotiation there. But if the buyer walks away, that due diligence money stays with the seller, just like in layaway at the store.
Right.
Right?
You get the privilege of taking it off the market for a little while, but
That's right.
and you get it credited towards moving forward if
Absolutely.
you do. But if you
Absolutely.
don't, that was what the seller conceded to do that for you.
Exactly, exactly. And the thing about it is, and this is where we really look at strength, and that is that the meeting of the minds, when the buyer and seller come together, and you have a meeting of the minds, whether you're talking about any part of the transaction, when as a buyer you're looking at a house, everybody wants a deal. I've never met somebody that
Wants to pay too much.
wants to overpay for anything.
Right.
Right.
However, you've got 2 parties involved, and each one has a risk in the transaction. And you've got to come to a meeting of the minds.
Right.
And the due diligence, and I'm happy to talk with anybody offline about this anytime. The due diligence is the most powerful tool in the transaction between buyer and seller.
Shows that they're serious.
And a lot of rookie agents have never figured that out. They think it's all about other parts of the transaction, but that due diligence piece is probably just slightly ahead of your 2-1 buy down. New idea that you
Keeps
just
things
gave.
moving in
It
the
does.
transaction, which I like.
It really does. And I think it's gonna be really more and more a part as the market moves forward.
Well, you and I have had discussions, Paul. I got a question for you, and I know that everything's different. Is there a rule of thumb? I mean, because, you know, if I'm selling a house and somebody offers me, you know, you can insult somebody with a low due diligence.
I've seen $600,000 houses with $250
Oh,
in
you gotta
due
be kidding
diligence.
me. That's like a night's stay.
What's the date of that one? 1 day out, 2
Yeah,
day out?
yeah. You think the buyer or seller thinks you're serious?
Yeah.
$250 at risk? No.
Is there, I mean, I know there's no rule of thumb, but is there a percentage or anything? I mean, I know everything's different, and I don't know, I guess it's all negotiable.
It is completely negotiable.
Yeah.
I look at the whole package and then I work towards, working with the buyer and also in the seller negotiating it. Because the earnest money, although it's important, when you've got the risk of walkaway, that's where you negotiate the most.
Yeah. I can say one thing for sure, with a $250 due diligence, your offer is not gonna be taken seriously.
At any price.
At any price,
Yeah.
even if you're paying $100,000 more, that's gonna be a deal killer right there.
Yeah, and again, that's where experience takes over. All right, Preston, I wanna make sure we have time with you to talk about CO2.
Yeah, oh, you mean, well, CO, carbon monoxide, not carbon dioxide. Singular oxide, yeah.
Sorry, Colorado.
Yeah, there you go, yeah. Carbon monoxide, yeah, I wanted to get this in because especially if we get some inclement weather here and we get some ice, they're saying a lot of people are gonna be without power. So I just wanna make sure, I know a lot of people have generators, cause when it happened a couple of years ago, I got a generator, this is kinda weird, but I'm like, I really wanna use my generator, cause I wanna show my wife that I made a good purchase there. But keep it out of your garage, keep it away from your house, because that carbon monoxide can go up into the house. More and more people are hospitalized when power's out, and people bring gas grills and generators and things. Just be really careful. The problem with carbon monoxide is, if you breathe it in heavy. I mean, I had an old car McGill when I was in college with a bad heat exchanger, and when I turned the heat on, I'd get dizzy and sleepy. I didn't know it at the time, but I was breathing in carbon monoxide, which inhibits your body, your blood system's ability to take oxygen to your brain and the rest of your body, and it deprives your brain of oxygen, and it will eventually kill you. 400 people a year die of carbon monoxide poisoning. Over 4,000 are hospitalized, and it's usually after an ice storm. So just be careful out there. They're required on every house now that has either a gas burning appliance of some type or a garage. I really think carbon monoxide detectors should be on every house, and I think you should travel with them. There was a really sad thing that happened up in Boone a couple of years ago.
Yes.
There was an elderly couple, both the man and the woman died in that same room, and then a little bit later, a couple of weeks, months later, a little boy died, and it was from carbon monoxide. It was the pool, it was adjacent to the swimming pool, I think, and the heater on the pool was putting in carbon monoxide, and that should have never happened. So after that happened, I travel with one. You can get one that plugs in.
Wow,
I travel, because you can't smell it, you don't know it's there. It's
Why
just a
can't my
solid-
iPhone do it for me? Does it that?
That's right.
Good thing, but yeah, it's
How about we work on an
Hey,
adapter
I
for the
like it.
iPhone?
Hey,
for
there's a
CO2
$1 million
detector.
idea right there. iPhone CO2 detector. Buy that domain real quick. Are we live? Somebody's pulling buying that domain right now.
Yeah, well, I think the one of the most misunderstood things is that if you're not using your heat, you don't.
Oh, no, they need it I recommend it for every house, because there's other things, and especially garages. In fact, I'm aware of 2 cases too. A lot of these new hybrid cars that are, electric, gas, I think what is it, the Volt and the Prius.
Yep.
I know of 2 cases where people unfortunately have died because they thought the car was off. They run so quiet, and they're not
Oh,
sure
yeah.
when the
Yeah,
gas
they
is
do.
on or when the electric's on. And the car was on in the garage, and it was emitting carbon monoxide, and people died. In fact, years and years ago, that was when they made the rule to have a carbon monoxide detector, was those condos downtown near the Panthers practice facilities. I don't know I don't have it right in front of me, but I know somebody left their car running, not on purpose. They fell asleep, I think, and I think there were 4 people that died, all from the carbon monoxide, because the garage was underneath the condos. So
Wow.
just every house should have them. You need to have it within where you sleep, within 10 feet of where you sleep, so it'll wake you up. And you should have it near, not right above, but near any place where you have a gas burning appliance, and also if you have a garage.
Right. So Preston, if people are interested in getting this pre-inspection that we talked about earlier, what do they do? How do they get in touch with you?
Just give us a call at 704-542-6575, or you can go check us out online at homeinspectioncarolina.com, homeinspectioncarolina.com.
Right, and you've also got a homeowner's checklist there under the Realtor tab.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
can look at too, right?
Yeah, I need to change that, but it should be everybody's tab, but it says Realtors tab. There's a whole bunch of resources, checklists. They're for consumers, buyers, and sellers. It says Realtor tab. I need to change that. But, yeah, there's a bunch of checklists, homeowners checklists, maintenance checklists, winter maintenance checklist, which we'll talk about on the next show.
All right, and Sandy, how do they get you?
They call my cell, 704-577-0144.
Right, and thank you all for being with us today. God bless you. Hope you have a great and safe weekend. Stay out of the storm and enjoy. You can reach us at 846-DONE, 846-3663. We'll see you next week to show Your Real Estate Today.
Preseason